무궁화 꽃이 피었습니다. 무궁화 꽃이 피었습니다. 무궁화 꽃이 피었습니다.
Hello guys, welcome back to my video on YouTube. Yeah, I'm so excited to have you guys back here on this channel. Please, if you are a new person on this channel, you are highly welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, you are highly welcome. Okay, without wasting much of our time, I will be doing exactly that pocket you guys saw earlier on this video. It's very simple. It's a pocket which you can choose to do on your senator wise when you want to sew. Okay, these are the things I will be needing for me to do this pocket. These are the pieces that I will be needing to be doing this pocket. This is hemming gum. This is a so guys, just okay, yeah, so right away let's just jump into the video and start doing what we have. First of all, this a pieces I cutted this 3 inches. I cutted it 3 inches. Yeah, this is exactly what we'll be using to do the pocket. And I'm supposed to use lightest gum to gum it, but because of this material is very thick, I will be using hemming gum to gum it. So you have to observe the material that you are sewing so that the pocket won't be that so thick. No, it's not meant to be so thick. So that's why you have to use hemming gum at times. So you have to be very observant. Yes, as a fashion designer, you have to be very observant so that you make your client to be comfortable when putting on their wares. So like this, I will putting on the hemming gum on the material, so I have to press it very firmly on the material so it won't be kind of loose, you know. Okay, yeah, you guys should just go to the subscribe button. Please subscribe to this channel because this is the only way you guys can actually push this channel very forward so that we can move forward and grow the channel. Then on your notification bell also, so that anytime I post new video, you'll be the first to watch. So right away, we have done gumming this one, so we'll be gumming the layer, the upper layer side. Then we'll be using this lightest gum to gum. You place it to the tip of the material, then you gum very well. Also, you gum it very well. Also, make sure it's very firm too on the material. It's very simple, guys. Just keep watching and make sure you watch to the end of this video so that you can grab every little thing I'll be doing here on this video. You don't have to skip a thing on this video, so just hold on tight, keep watching to the end. You're gonna be shocked. It's very simple, guys. The pocket is very simple. You can do this. Okay, let's just gum this very well. Let's just gum it very well. Yeah, so now, okay, yeah, it's very strong now. Let's keep it aside. Now I'll be forming the beep that you guys saw earlier on the pocket, a beep. On this beep, I'll also be attaching a button on it, but let me just form the beep first. Yeah, just you fold it this way. Yeah, I'm just taking it step by step. I'm just taking it step by step so that you understand everything I'm doing on this video. That's why I'm not rushing the video. So just hang tight and watch to the end. Just stand tight because I don't want to be that fast so that you won't understand. I made it very slow so that you understand everything that I'm doing. So once you are done folding this, you trim it out first. You trim it out. Please subscribe to the channel. You have to subscribe, please. Subscribe to the channel. Now you'll be fixing a hemming gum. You have to trim to the size that you folded. Yeah, we'll be using the hemming gum to hold it firmly. Yeah, I know you guys have, at least you know how to do this, and it's very simple to form. This is what you actually formed earlier on the pocket. Normally, some pocket you normally used to form it to hold the pocket with a button. So it's very simple. Very simple, guys. So then you'll be folding it this way, kind of a triangular shape or so. Yeah. You have to make it to relax very well. Always try to make your work to look so neat and smooth. Yeah. You have to iron very well. Yeah. Trim this one out. It's not needed. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Hope you can see what I'm doing, right? Hope you can see what I'm doing. Yeah, we're done folding that. Now we'll be cutting out the pieces that we'll be using to be joining on the pocket. Kind of as a double layer you saw on the pocket earlier. This is what we are cutting out right now. Then when you try to indicate the back, yeah, then fold it from the end. Yes. Then when you don't fold in, you'll be adding your hemming comb so that it will be strong. You have to hold it very firm so it won't be coming out when you place it on the pocket. So you have to hold it very tight. Yeah. This is the double layer. Then try to get your measurement using this. Mark out 3 inches for the size of the pocket. I'm using 3 inches for the size of the pocket because this is a smaller chest. I'm using 3 inches. So yeah, 42. Then fix it at the center of the 3 inches. That should be 1.5. Yeah. Then get your bib. Try to get the actual measurement that you'll be needing. Then get the height of the pocket. we're getting the height of the pocket. On this pocket I will also be using 1.2 for the height. I'm marking it out. Yeah, this is 1.2. Okay, then guys, keep watching, okay? Make sure you watch to the last, so you understand. Make sure you watch to the last. Okay, we are at the machine right now. We'll be holding this bib firmly on the material, and watch over you. Make sure that the space up should be the same space down. So we'll be holding it firm on the material. Yeah, we have to stitch on top the bib so that it won't pull out. Okay, let's go on. Okay, now we are done stitching on the material. We go over to the table. Yeah, let's go over to the table and press. Okay, we are at the table now. Okay, now let me be using my hemming gum to be holding the upper layer very firm to the actual layer. Let me cut this out, it's not needed. Okay guys, please tap on the subscribe button, subscribe to this channel guys, on your notification bell for more videos like this. If you have any question, come to the comment box. I'm always active for you guys to answer any question that you are confused on. Come to the comment box, drop your question guys. I would like to receive questions on the place you are confused on. Okay, then you trim out the pocket so that you can stitch. Yeah, mark out the point. First you have to mark out the point, that is 3 inches. 3 inches from the back. Make sure you're marking out from the back. Yeah, make sure you're marking out from the back. Okay, then also from the back you get the height, that is 1.2. remember, we are taking the height, then rule down with our ruler. Yeah, you have to rule down so you can get the actual size. This is for the sewing allowance that I'm ruling out. Yeah, you trim this one out. Okay, this is very simple guys, just stick to the video. You really enjoy this video. The pocket is very nice. Just keep watching guys. Okay, now we'll be marking out the size with the upper layer and the down layer. Yeah, let's just mark out the point using our pen and our ruler. Okay, yeah, okay, this is the first point. The reason of doing this is just for me to have the same point when I'm stitching at the fabric, so that they will be equal. That is the reason I'm doing this. So you have to do the same thing so that when fixing the pocket, the pocket have to be the same equal height. So when you're doing this, you have to keep it aside, then bring the fabric and also mark the same size on the fabric. You have to sketch it out so that you won't do a mistake. Because you know, when fixing this breast pocket, it's kind of cranky. Like you have to, if you make a mistake, it's going to be slanting. So you have to make sure that you mark it out 3 inches, as you can see, then 1.2 also on the fabric. I've already marked it out already, so just do the same. Then this one is the upper layer I'm talking about. This is the upper layer, and make sure that this line that I'm showing right now is on top of this line of the fabric. Yeah, make sure of that. And that inch line is also the same at the fabric. So make sure you fix it very well when you are at the machine to sew. This actually will give you an accurate measurement of the pocket. No side has to be slanted. We are fixing it straight. So let's go to the machine, guys. Okay, now we are about to sew. Okay, this is the upper layer. We are fixing it perfectly on the fabric, making sure that the line are intersecting very well. Okay, then you lock, place your needle on the line, then you lock first. Yeah, okay, keep your hands straight. You have to keep your hands straight when doing this. Yeah, guys, subscribe to the channel. Give us a thumbs up if you like what we're doing here. Give us a thumbs up, guys. If you like what we are doing here, give us a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel, on your notification bell, guys. You can also share this video to somebody, because somebody will be needing this. You have to share to the person to watch this. If somebody is confused on the kind of pocket that you'll be fixing on his senator wears, share this to him. Okay, let's see the downside. You have to observe, you have to be observant also. Get your 1.2, make sure that the pocket's height is 1.2. Use your tape, make sure it's 1.2. Yeah, then place your needle and also make sure that it's at the same point you stitch. Then keep your hands straight to sew. You have to be very careful when doing this, guys. You have to be very careful. Okay, guys, we'll be trimming this out on this point. We'll be trimming it out. Okay, yeah, so let's just notch it first from the front. We're just notching the little, then we'll still turn the back to trim from the back so you can be seeing the thread very well. At these points, you have to be very careful when notching these points. You have to be very careful. You don't have to bypass the point, because when you do so, you spoil the pocket. So you have to be very careful when doing this. You can take as much time you want to do this. You don't have to be in a rush. Just calm down and notch very well. I know what I'm saying because at this point, kind of, tempting. They tell you you're supposed to understand what I'm saying, so you have to be very careful when watching this. Take your time. Okay, guys. Make sure it's okay. Make sure you notch very well. So when we are done notching, we have to be turning the pocket inside. You have to be turning it inside, as you can see. You have to be turning it inside. Okay. Yeah. Fix it very well. Fix very well. Okay. Okay. If you also want to reach to my, you can reach me on my Instagram on the screen. That's my Instagram name. You can come to my Instagram to ask me any question. I'm also active on my Instagram. Okay, guys, see, you have to be holding this. You have to be putting this inside, because this way you're going to be stitching. Okay, this is the pocket. Fix it very well. Make sure everything is very relaxed before you stitch. Make sure it's very relaxed before you stitch. Get your pressing cloth to press first. Make sure it's very relaxed before you stitch. It's very important, guys. Make sure you relax the pocket before you stitch. It's very, very important. Very, very important. You won't like it when the pocket is poking one side, like kind of squeezy. So that's why you have to press, and make sure it's being relaxed. Okay, then we're going to the machine now. We have to tack it inside. We're not sitting on top, we are stitching inside. It's meant to be invisible. Okay. Oh, yeah. So, okay. You have to stitch very well. Yeah, as you can see what I'm doing. Stitch very well at the both side. Make sure it's not squeezing anywhere when stitching. Sorry, I have to fix this. I don't know where my thread is breaking. I think because of the thickness of the material. Okay, now stitch very well, guys. Stitch very well. Then when you are done stitching, you have to be joining your material. This is the pocket, guys. This is the pocket. Okay. Okay. Then you have to be joining from the back. You have to be joining from the back to close up the pocket. So this, you raise it up, then join from this inner side. See what I'm doing? So you have to join the pocket so it will be a little bit longer. Hope you guys are understanding what I'm doing here. If you're not understanding very well, you can still watch this video. It's already on my channel. You can come back at any time to watch the video as many times as you want. Okay. So guys, see, I'm done joining the downside, and I don't like seeing this gum on my pocket, so I have to close up the gum. Using another fabric to close up the gum, so I won't be seeing it. So that when a client turns the back of these clothes, it will be very neat when looking at the back. So I have to close it up, and this is how I do it. You have to stitch from the top when doing that. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Then you'll be using your thread now to hold both the pocket, ensure everything. You're using your thread to hold everything together to get the size of your pocket. To get the depth of your pocket, you have to stitch. Okay. You can use 5.5 as the depth of the pocket. You can use 6, but you shouldn't pass 7 for the depth of the pocket. Okay. Yeah. Please guys, still subscribe to this channel, guys. Subscribe. You have to subscribe to this channel so that YouTube will helping us to be forwarding, and so that YouTube will help us to be pushing our videos, help the channel to grow. Click on the subscribe button. Tap on the subscribe button on your notification bell. Okay. So this is it. This is the pocket right now. This is how it will be. So this is the front side. Yeah. So you have to go to the table and press and relax everything. So guys, this is it. Please subscribe to this channel, guys. Subscribe to the channel. Then if you have any video you want me to be doing, come to the comment box, then tell me. I'll be doing any video that will be commenting on the board that you are confused on any kind of design. Drop your comment, ask your question on the comment box. I'll be delighted to answer all questions. Yeah, tell me on the design that you're finding difficult on, and I'll be doing that. Subscribe to this channel, share to the person that needs it. Okay guys, this is the pocket. I have to press the pocket very well to give me a perfect result. It's very simple. You can do this. It's very simple. Very simple. I'm done with the pocket. So this is the outcome on the process I followed. Okay guys, see, this is the outcome. Please subscribe to the channel guys, subscribe. Okay, see you guys on the next video.